너무 맛있다. So delicious. hot. Hello everybody, welcome to Babshi Home Cooking channel. Today I will cook very delicious, sweet and very nice dessert. You know this name is a small dip dessert. Do you know we use this small marshmallow and we use this Nutella chocolate jam. Nutella chocolate jam. You know, we use this one and we will make. Very surprised when I saw this one, and then very delicious. I tried already. This very nice, nice dessert. And now I will introduce these ingredients. This Nutella chocolate jam and then this marshmallow. Now I will start cooking. Yes, our this lily because we are so much this lily, so beautiful lily, and then now it's very jealous, super jealous. This Sundar, come here, Sundar, come here. Okay, yes, she understands English, Sundar. Now he's very nice, very quiet, do you know? So nice. Okay, hello everybody. Yes. Now we put this Nutella chocolate jam. Nutella. Nutella. Ah, very difficult pronunciation. Nutella. Okay. Yes, we put here. Nutella. Okay, let's put in the oven. Ready? So beautiful. Wow!